Good day, everyone. Learn how to delete Windows Update files which has been already updated in your computer and you no longer need those files. So the procedure will remain same for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So here you need to open the File Explorer. You can search that and then go to this PC. And then we need to go to the drive where the operating system is installed. So I'll go to my C drive and then we will go to Windows folder. I'll just do a double click on that. And here we will select any of the folder and we will press S as in Sam. And then we will look for if software distribution folder name, which is right there. And we will just do a double click on that. And we will go to download folder. And from here, you can press Control A and you can press Shift and Delete. I just wanted to check how much it is. In my case, it has so much folders and 11,000 files, approximately 500 MB. So I can simply press Shift Delete, or you can click here to delete. So I'll press Shift Delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete? I'll say yes. I'll click on continue. And in this manner, we are going to remove all the Windows updated files which has been already done to the computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.